Hi again. Today we will analyze some forex pairs and also gold. We will start with gold because I think we have a very good entry here. We are looking at weekly chart, and as you can see here, we have this channel here, this one here, which was respected till now, and we have this candle here that gave us the confirmation that we are going lower. We will not enter right now. We will wait. We'll look at 4-hour chart. We will wait for price to go up and up, maybe to retrace a little bit to reach at least these levels here. So maybe you enter at 1950 or maybe even more till 1957 here. So you can also use this to see where exactly, or here we will take this order here maybe, but here I think it is a little bit early, and we have this gap upward and also gap downward. I think the market will want to fill these gaps, and also this here we have high volume here above all of this. If you can see it like this, you can refine it like this, and we will see it here. 1952 is a very good entry, and if we reach that level, because of the purpose that we want to fill this gap upward, and you can see this gap downward. So this is a gap that needs to be filled, so no entry before 1943, and best entry is 1950. We can draw a Fibonacci to know which level will that be. It will be around 88, even more, maybe 95 or so, and exit will be the lower limit of the band. So we may reach it like maybe here. We're not going fast. We maybe reach it like here. So it will be around here, around 4 extension, or maybe 3.61. That's it for gold. The other pairs are mostly euro pairs. First one is euro franc. I will first remove my drawings. And reset the chart. So we have this move that got retraced, and I think this candle tells us that we are heading downward to where I think I will be conservative in this one, because I think we may only reach these levels. Let's draw a trend line. So it may just reach this level. If you want to be conservative, you will exit around 1.23 extension, or we can look at the order block here, this one here. So it will be like 1.61. Let's see. The orders are here, or maybe as I said before, I will be conservative in this one. Maybe exit some part here at 1, and then other part 1.23, and leave some part open, because it also may break all of this and go down. But as I said before, I will be conservative in this one. And the other one is, and as you look here, one thing more I wanted to say, here we have this move that got retraced and then didn't break another high. So here was our last high and we didn't break it. So this, I think it is not so strong right now. The uptrend here is not that strong. So I think it may go down, or as I said before, maybe just to the trend line and take maybe this one and then go up again. Because why I did say that, because if we look at the New Zealand franc, is not the same, even that it's also franc, Swiss franc, it is not the same. In Swiss franc, we have this same leg that was at the same time with the euro franc, and this one broke this the last high. So it was stronger, came from here, and then came back and broke the high here. But in euro, this high didn't got broken. Here, I may enter a very small part here at these orders, because I think we may still go upward, even that it is also risky. I shared a part of this trade before. I was actually bearish. Now I'm not sure. So because as you can see here, we also have this supply that we came back exactly to mitigate it and go back downward, and it may go and break this trend line. And as we said before in our previous video, that it may go back to fill these imbalances down there, or may go up and clear this 1, 2, 3 tops, these 3 tops. So it's better to wait in this one. Why I did say that I may buy, because we have 5 waves actually already. So that's why I think we may go upward. If we do like this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which normally means that the move has ended, and we may see we may see only retracement, or we may see another impulse. That's it for the New Zealand franc. And we also have the Euro AUD that we have discussed before in a short video. And last one, the Euro New Zealand. Sorry, it's not the last one. We also have the Euro Pound. The Euro New Zealand looks also confusing, because this area here, it may be an accumulation area. We have this power, the trend, and then go up. We can use, I want to use my volume here. So this area may be actually an accumulation, or it may be tricky and be not accumulation but distribution, which means that it may go downward and break these support levels and then go back and then go down, exactly like what happened in the pound New Zealand. So if we are going to buy, we will buy here. This is the last point of support. But if this got broken, I think it will be heading down. And as I said, it was exactly like the pound New Zealand. It did the same move, same tricky move. Here, also this one here, that looks like accumulation. This one here, we can do like this and this. So if we don't know, it looks like, as we said before, it looks like accumulation, and we will enter our buys here. But then what happened is actually this. We went down, broke the support, and then go up, and then we are heading down right now. And we are going up. I don't know if this move will continue or it will hit this resistance and go down. For the pound New Zealand, I think we have here a gap, but this is not our topic right now, because actually I will not enter this trade. I wanted, if this move came back here, and we shared that in the video before, if it came back here, I would enter a short, but now it came back there and then went up because we have here this Quasimodo line. So I think it may go up from here, or it may go up to these areas that we said before and then go down to fill here. I have marked a gap in the pound New Zealand. But as I said before, the euro New Zealand may be the same. And our last one is the euro pound. That also was tricky one. As you see here, we shared this trade idea before, and we had this move. I do it like this. And before we know, it was like this. I said it may go up to these areas to fill the gaps up there and then go down. But what happened was not like this. What happened is that our stop loss got smashed. Why did that happen? I will remove the drawings. And if we look here carefully, here is our order block. So I think it went up to just to mitigate these orders, and then may go down because the overall, as we said, in the all euro pairs is actually mostly bearish. I think this one will also be bearish, as also the pound has increased their interest rate this week. So I think if we may go from here, which also confluent with the euro, with the 61 retracement level, or maybe go up a little more and then go down. And also, the reason that it came up to these levels is it was here was a gap. First gap is here, and it got filled to 50% of the gap. And the second gap is here, this one here, this one. So if we make it like this, and sorry, we go back to the 4 hours, see if we mark it right. And here is our gap. And also here is our 4-hour refined order block. So what happened, that actually it went back to fill this gap, and it is heading now to fill these order blocks. And if you want to mark the block like this, but it will be huge, or maybe if you marked it like this, it will be that we have already mitigated these orders and we may be heading downwards. And some people do it like this and then split it in half, or do maybe like this, sorry. So remove this and remove this, and this is our 4-hour order block right here. It's a huge one. Which we filled till the middle of it, 50%. So I think we may go down from these areas right now and go back to the support levels here. Which also will be confluent with this one here, or fill this gap. So if we draw it like this, I will exit around 1 or 1.23 maximum. That's it for today. Follow for more.